Hi friends, happy International Women's Day. I just thought it would be fitting that we talk about why women make really great home renovators. I actually included this in my newsletter today. So if you're not already on my list, I invite you to join me. DM me and let me know that you're interested in receiving my newsletter and I'll make that happen. So anyway, as we all know, construction, home renovation, this whole industry is very male dominated and has historically been very much a boys club, right? Women make great renovators because you know what? Women tend to be a lot more organized. Not everyone, but for the most part, women tend to be more organized. We are the ones that are managing the households. We know exactly what our household needs, what our family needs are, what's working, what's not working, all of that. There are men too, but we're talking about women today, okay? It's International Women's Day. Give us today. And because we know, therefore, we're able to incorporate those needs into the planning process. So don't get intimidated by the guys. Just because it's a boys industry, it's a male dominated industry, doesn't make them automatically good at this. Doesn't make them better at it. It doesn't make them automatically more knowledgeable, despite what some of them may want you to think. I'm not the one that's going to tell you to bust out the tools and let's do a DIY project. I've done enough in my day. I don't particularly enjoy it. I actually would rather have somebody who knows what they're doing do it, and I oversee the process. I will design it, I will plan it, and I will manage it. And I can show you how you can do the same too, so that you feel confident navigating the process so you actually get the project done. It's nothing. Anyway, happy International Women's Day.